Hi everyone, I'm meteorologist Pat Cavlin back here with an update on what is now, yet again, Hurricane Beryl. Finally back to Category 1 hurricane status as of a special 11 p.m. update. Just barely a Cat 1 hurricane with winds sustained at 75 miles per hour. Pressure keeps dropping though, so I would not be surprised to see this number go up as we go through the next few hours as this storm kind of makes its approach towards either Matagorda or Brazoria County. The movement slowed down as well, though, now moving at 10 miles per hour, which means a little more time over water. Brand new also within the last hour and a half, a tornado watch that includes the entire city of Houston, Montgomery County, Liberty, Chambers, Galveston, Brazoria, Matagorda, and of course, Fort Bend County as well. That goes till 10 o'clock in the morning for a tornado threat. This is the overnight threat, pretty much all of southeast Texas, mainly focused from the city and points south. And then as we get you into tomorrow, that threat will follow the storm's path going north, but it will stay primarily focused on the east side of the storm with those rain bands pivoting in around the east side of the storm. So this is what we're tracking for you as we go through really the next few hours. Hurricane force winds are possible from the coast to the city. We will see coastal flooding in the form of storm surge and then rain flooding across a good part of the area, and also that enhanced tornado potential that I just showed you. So here's the wind future track at landfall. We could see wind gusts, not sustained, but gusts up to 80 and 90 miles per hour at the coast. As the storm continues to move north, it weakens a bit, but still 50, 60, 70 mile an hour wind gusts not out of the question for a large part of Harris County. And even going north of that, Huntsville, Cleveland, Livingston, we could see gusts 50 and 60 miles per hour because the storm will eventually start to pick up steam. And as it moves quickly across southeast Texas, it won't have time to weaken substantially. So we do see some big impacts for a good part of the area before the storm moves out of here late tomorrow evening. There's future track landfall around 2 o'clock in the morning. Torrential rain on the north and east side of the storm, including for the city of Houston. Flooding a big concern with this system. Even though it's a fast mover, it does drop a lot of rain in a small period of time. By mid-morning, though, things really shut off fast here for the coast. Even in the city by 10 a.m., things should start to wrap up. It's heavy rain for Huntsville, and then it's out of here as we go through the mid-morning hours. But again, not before we see quite a dumping of rain. 6 to 12 inches in this purple stripe going through Harris County. 4 to 6 inches east of the city. Drops off in Louisiana, and a big drop off as you go west of Harris County. So the worst is from 2 a.m. to 2 p.m. for inland areas. Flooding and wind, the big threats. Make sure that you are charging your devices tonight so that you're all ready to go in case we do lose power. At the coast, storm surge, a big concern. 4 to 7 feet for coastal Brazoria and Matagorda counties. 4 to 6 feet then for Galveston and Chambers. That includes Galveston Bay getting into the ship channel as well. That water gets funneled into the bay. So from midnight till noon, we are expecting impacts in terms of storm surge and wind. Make sure that you live in an area that's prone to coastal flooding, that you have found higher ground. We will be doing updates on air and online all night long. Stay with us for the latest. Make sure that your devices are charged so you can stay connected and stay safe as Hurricane Beryl makes its way towards southeast Texas.